everyone, welcome back to Nomadic Aura Annie's YouTube channel. Before we begin today's video, I just want to take a moment to thank all my returning subscribers and to everyone who's new to the channel. Your follow, support, comments, likes, and encouragement truly means so much to me. I absolutely love exploring America, sharing my aesthetic vision, discovering new places, and sharing these wonderful places, moments, and adventures with all of you. I'm honestly so happy that you're here to experience it all with me.